In front of me is Motorola Moto G50, and let me show you how to change the date and time on this phone. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select system, and here click on date and time. And here you can either use automatic date and time, which is network provided time, or you can switch it off and now set the date. And time manually by yourself. As you can see, from now on it's up to you what the date and time it currently is. Then you can also change the time zone, so smoothly switch off network provided time zone and pick the region and time zone if available by yourself. So this is it. This is how you can change the date and time in your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.